Hi guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is our 8th video of HTML, and in this video we are going to talk about lists in HTML, and we are simply going to talk about the ordered lists. We have got two kind of lists in HTML. First we have got ordered lists, and second unordered lists. So today we are going to talk about the ordered lists. So let's get started. So first I'm gonna show you guys how can we make an ordered list. Look at here, an ordered list can be created with the OL tag. You can simply write angle bracket, after that OL in the closing angle bracket tag. And each list item can be created with LI. If you want to make a list item, you can create it simply by using LI. Like this. The starting tag of OL, your list item, here LI and LI, and your another list item, as many as you want. You can make it through LI, and after that the closing tag of OL, ordered list. So let me give you a short example of it in our code editor. If I want to make an ordered list, so I can do it simply like this. First I have to write down the starting and closing tag of OL. After that, if I want to make a list, I can simply do it by using LI, list item. And now in here in middle you can write down your list item name. So I'll just write down some names here. For example, Ahmad, Mahmoud, Siraj, Miraj, Usman, Abu Bakr, and at the end I'll write down Omar, like this. So I've made an ordered list here, and whenever I'll reload my web page, refresh my web page, I will see these names in here in an ordered way, starting from 1 till 7, because I've written 7 list items. So because of that we have got 7 in here. So whenever you want to make an ordered list, you can simply make it like this. Second, that many people ask about this question: how can we manually change the numbers? So the first way is to set the starting number. You can set a starting number for your list, and using the start attribute, you can use the start attribute for that. The list will start at this defined number and continue incrementing by 1 as usual. Look at here, I have given you an example. This is our OL tag. You just have to write down the start attribute, and after that, and which number you want it to be started, 5. You can write your own number. After that, you can simply write down your item numbers, no problem. Let me take you an example here. I want this items to be started from 10. So how can I do it? I can use the start attribute, start, and I'll just simply write here 10. After writing 10, I'll save it and reload my web page. Look at here, it has started from 10 and it goes till 60. So you can simply do it like this. And there's another way as well. You can also explicitly set a certain list item to a specific number. For the list items after 1 with specified value and continue incrementing 1 by 1. You can simply do it like this. And the second way is that you can also explicitly set a certain list item to a specific number. Further, list items after 1 with a specified value will continue incrementing 1 by 1. You can simply do it like this. I want our values to not start by 10. I just want this value, Siraj, to be started from 15. So I can simply write here the value, and after that I can write down the value I want it to be started, 15. I'll just save it and reload my web page, and look at here. 1, 2 in Siraj is getting started from 15. So you can simply use the value as well for it. I hope you have got the point. And there's another thing as well. How can we reverse the numbers? So for that, you can reverse the numbers. You can reverse the numbering by adding the reversed attribute in your OL element, just like this, simply. OL and reversed, and your list will be reversed totally. Look at here, I want my list to be reversed. I'll just simply delete this value from here. After deleting the value, I'll use the reversed attribute here. So how is it getting started? From 1. I want it to be started from 7 to, and it must go till 1. So for that I can use the reversed attribute. Simply use the reversed attribute and refresh your web page. After using it, look at here, it's starting from 7 and goes till 1. So this is the easiest way to reverse the numbers of an ordered list. After this, here's another issue as well. How can we change the type of numeral to another types? Like I want my list to be shown in ABC or in Roman numbers. So how can I do that? You can easily change the type of numeral shown in the list item marker by using the type attribute. You can use the type attribute for it, simply like this. If you want it in decimal numbers, you can use 1 in your type, and if you want the alphabet letters, lowercase alphabet letters, you can use the A, the small a, and you can use the capital A if you want it to be in uppercase letters, and if you want the Roman numbers, you can simply write down I in lowercase Roman, and if you want it in uppercase Roman, you can just write down the uppercase I for it. Let me show you with an example here. I want my list to be shown in ABC in small letters, so I can use the type attribute. After that, I'll just write down here the small a. After writing it and reloading my web page, look at here, we have got A, B, C, D until G. If I want it in uppercase letters, I can simply write down the uppercase A. After writing and saving my code editor and reloading my web page, look at here, I've got it. And if I want the Roman numbers, I can simply write down the small I for lowercase and a capital I for uppercase. Look at here, we have got it. And if I want the uppercase one, so I can just write down the uppercase I. After writing, I'll reload my web page. Look at here, we have got it. So this was all about the ordered list. You can simply do it like this. If you want the default value or decimal numbers, you can write 1. If you want the alphabet, lowercase alphabet, you can just write down a small a. If you want it in uppercase, you can just write down capital A, I or I, small I or capital I, small for lowercase Roman numerals, and a capital for uppercase numerals, Roman numerals. So this was all about the ordered list in HTML. I hope you have got the point. If you have any questions related to this topic, you can just simply write down it in the comment. Thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you inshallah very soon. And there is a small request as well. You just have to simply share the link of my YouTube channel with your friends as well. So my YouTube channel will grow as well, and all of the people will receive the benefits from my YouTube channel. Thank you very much.